Take me go Robin or the Guasmaker Facebook, Miti Guasmaker Facebook do. Kashi dashboard shijan and Guasame. Take a dormi more dairy wager down in teeth and dairy shake a jamicha road again. Michi wake sure she meant sure my guard and Kashi twine should do. Take me dead no guardam, Gorian boy come gora transparency, Gorian will be twine. A location to ko being agent location to 10. Alright. Yet right now location is dangerous cause still taka under more ta tenan ke 6,000 followers karo. Can your car requirement can katian. So requirement ka tit drop down dating I could tin go ka work a dashboard kenyam twine dashboard which you got dashboard ni algorithm te benen to con ke insight to con ke content to con ke engagement to con ke mchele algorithm monetization men go ke lo monetization men so ko go je mishi monetization che twine te gum a good no do thing mishi twanya monetization gwazme kachi benten a team gur no blalet a magur kon jene berpin program chale star ke subscription chan dier ke chu dier ke ko titini taram mo ran yo no entama ke gen time me free money teleja but what you need work content monetization gwazme trying content monetization mishi benten binen bejinong form me michaleli form ne okay bejinong form Chelaro interest form submitted and cha form cha thing already cha lele cha jak do no mungu loida ka dongo region ode ja update nyok bangulel ba update interest form me beje twine so mi cha twine be no ngwa me ka titine so right now nen quantity ti non kon ne kere tini category no diri nga kenyam before kenene thiang jin category do mu mi cha ite gwa me no category selected Michi twine take a debenu, titine can category in corner benyo the guasman. Based on mandana lady, gin point to kujin la artist, kujin athlete, kujin author, kujin business, kujin chef, kujin coach, kujin comedian, kujin dancer, kujin design and fashion, kujin digital creator, chigana digital creator, kujin entrepreneur, kujin gamers, kujin musician, kujin personal blog, kujin photographer, kujin public figure, kujin scientist, kujina take ene mugur mo gwaza me ajen bitigo ni so men to qualify keje all right asian man gore mu digital creator reason down and kwanje je of de lare ko gaw bi dor bi ngat ka Facebook take di chamal monetize acheng le di longba but mala easier long by the way digital creator there use go you are simply creating videos no there video ko ken there kala dop kel there kala zona so very important there me there go so michi to gwada me chimana na guru chi select let's say cha digital creator cha select bung muchu le dan then the next move gwada me dan guru ka ngu michele gwada me what is your prepared format of content right now din no cha to cha select so titini kati brand bagaleli bagatian shike reel shike photo shike text post shike store titini kandang wan metiga ke jama o goro jana banga je Facebook no kada ti kan guru mono dairy monetize ke chika ken so bro chumo ketin kon goro so it means that all of them big deal tick mi chiga tick be done be twine wasman be done be deal twine be twine na then be jogo no shit chira wota chiga tu ben gwadu me chalaro what are you interested in this program so sorry, why are you interested in this program? Many and con magwas me be leldi be twanya na mane. Okay, be submit mission. Anyway, men bele right now ko do ken dun ken submit. I will put the description bell at gwada mo kajan Facebook me. Ko be you copy be lari. And then me to be submit button be leli be you twanya. Right there you are done. She submit leli interest submitted already. She submitted it right now. Kodi jetegati chiteli chitin kon guru she submit already. And go follow for more when you're been your